Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sara's Crochet. In this video, I will show you how to make this flower pattern. For this, I am using 2.5 mm crochet hook. You have to start the work with a slip stitch. Now you have to work 16 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here we have completed working 16 chains. Skip the first chain and in the second chain you have to work one single crochet. You have to continue to work single crochet in all the chains till the end. In this row we have worked 15 single crochet. Now you have to work 4 chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work. Now you have to skip the next chain and you have to work one single crochet. Again you have to work 4 chain. Skip the next chain and you have to work one single crochet. You have to repeat the same pattern for this entire row. We have completed this row. Now we will move to the next row. In the first space you have to make one slip stitch. Next you have to work one chain. Now pull the loop to 2 centimeter. Again you have to insert the hook into the space and work one chain. Again you have to pull to 2 centimeter. Again you have to make one chain and pull the loop. You have to repeat this for 9 times. Now we have 9 loops in the crochet hook. Next you have to yarn over the hook and pull through one loop at a time. Again yarn over and pull through the next loop. Again yarn over and pull through next loop. Repeat them for all the loops. Next you have to work below the red dots. You have to make a slip stitch in each point. Continue to work slip stitch in all the points. Last slip stitch will be worked here. This loop will look different from the all other loops. You have to pick this loop and you have to work one slip stitch in the last loop. Now we have completed the first petal. Next you have to work 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. In the chain space you have to make a slip stitch. And the first petal ends here. You have to repeat the same step for all the chain space. In the next chain space you have to work one slip stitch. Then you have to work one chain and pull the loop to 2 centimeter. Again you have to work one chain, pull the loop to 2 centimeter. So we will be repeating the same for 9 times. Now we have 9 loops in the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the first loop. And yarn over, pull through the second loop. Again yarn over and pull through the third loop. Next you have to pull through the fourth one. You have to repeat the same for all the 9 loops. Next you have to work slip stitch below all the red dots. Arrow shows where we have to work the last slip stitch. Next you have to work 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Next you have to make a slip stitch in the chain space. So you have to follow the same steps for each petals that you are working on each chain space. This is a sample pattern. For the actual pattern, I will be working on 60 base chains. Now you have two sides of petal. On one side chains will be visible and on the back side the chains won't be visible. Now you have to roll them as low as possible. After you have rolled them for few times, you have to start sewing the petals. Repeat rolling for few rounds and sew them completely. You can follow this method or you can roll the entire flower and you can turn the work to the back side of the flower and you can sew all the ends without leaving any end. You can do whatever method is easy for you. And this is the final output. If you wish to increase the flower size from small to bigger, all you have to do is you have to increase the base chain or you can decrease the base chain. But you have to work the base chain only in even counts. I hope you like this video. Please do like it, share it and don't forget to comment it. Please do turn on the subscription button. Also, you have to turn on the bell button near the subscription button if you wish to receive all the notifications for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.